When you're looking at a family-owned and operated business and the kids are key management, yes, there's always the risk that there's going to be rub with new ownership so it's not mommy and daddy, okay? That's just the reality. But every business transaction has risks. That's business. So looking at it, you have to understand, you have to know from the seller what those kids are like and really understanding their personalities before you buy the business. It's likely that the parents or the founder isn't going to allow you to talk to the employees or the kids, before the sale goes through, but maybe that's a requirement because the business is heavily dependent on those kids. No deal is ever the same. There are different ways to look at things, but really what you want to do is focus on where can you be in alignment with the kids. Sometimes it just won't work and the kids won't last long, but maybe you did need a regime change in the company and maybe the kids were slacking off and you could go find somebody and pay them half the amount of money and they're going to put in twice the amount of work. We've been talking about negative with family-owned and operated businesses, but there are actually some really positive things that we've seen. So when the kids are key management, one way to overcome the risk, and especially these kids want to stay with the business, but they just don't have the financial capacity to go buy a $5, $10, $15 million business, is the buyer can offer them a profit sharing plan, a minority equity ownership, to really keep them tied to the business if the kids want to stay involved. And oftentimes they do because they're proud of what their parents have built and proud of what they've been a part of as well. That's one really positive thing that we do see in family-owned and operated businesses and how you can really make it into a successful transition.